What's up, everybody? This is your girl Lavina coming back with another cash stuffing video. Hello, how everybody doing today? I hope everybody doing well. I want to say shout out to everybody who be hitting that like button, that subscribe button, and especially hollering at your girl in the comments saying hello and everything else. I really appreciate y'all, just even being here and watching, and I really appreciate the likes. Okay, you guys? So if you guys don't mind, please hit the like button and please subscribe to my channel. You know what I mean? I can use some support around here. Okay, so let's get into the video. Today we will be working out of our sinking funds binder. I like to say my high priority fund binder is my favorite, but it's not, because it's my bills. Who like to pay bills? So I'm gonna stick with this is my favorite binder. Okay, and it just is what it is, because this is my really things I'm working towards. Okay, y'all, so let's see what we gonna cash stuff today. Today we got 20, 60, 80, I'm sorry, 20, 40, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89. This is income from my side hustle, okay? Which is DoorDash right now, okay? So, let's get into this. So, your girls, emergency fund, which I know you've been neglected. That $100 just been looking at me, honey, but I'm doing the best I can, honey. Okay, I'm doing the best I can, y'all, and I'm so blessed. Y'all saw like last month, whoo, I was like, oh my goodness, I didn't know what was going on, and look now, you know what I mean? So it is what I eat. It is what it is, and this does work. If you're new to budgeting, y'all hang in there. It's a journey. It's up and down like a roller coaster, and it has been a journey. But the whole point of it is seeing one more extra dollar than what you had. Okay, just look at it like that. It's not a race like they told me. It's not a race. It's a marathon. I think that sounds about right. I'm not sure. Y'all can correct me in the comments if I was wrong. Okay, so today let's situate this money and get to it. So today, emergency fund will be getting $14. So now emergency fund has 1, 105, 110, 11, 12, 13, 14. Thank you, Lord, for this money. Debt is not going to get anything today. Unfortunately, I did pay. I know I talked about it on my last video. I did pay my pawn bill, but this debt is so I can get it out, y'all. My goal is to get my stuff out. But you know what I mean? It is what it is right now. Shopping will not be getting anything. Car won't be getting anything. Insurance will be getting, I believe it's $1. No, things will get better. $1. Travel is going to get something. Travel is getting, I haven't been keeping track. What is going on? Let me see. 6, 8, 10. 20, 6, 8, 10, 21. It is going to be getting $24. So it will be getting $24, y'all. Yeah, y'all, I just don't even, and Leanne, she just keep on coming around me, staring. I could be talking to somebody else. She'll just come and stare. And then I told my coworker, stop telling me what she say. Because as soon as I turn my back, y'all, she talking about me like she want me to be the angry black girl. You know what I mean? Or something. I don't know what's up. But she keep on, like, every time I'm in a conversation with somebody else, she just come and sit there and stare. You know what I mean? And I'm like, first of all, you weird. But I'm starting to think, like, she probably feel bad or something. But she knows she messed up with me. Because I don't play that. I don't give it strangers second chances to show me who they is. But I'm not treating her wrong. I just, you know, she told the coworkers she can't even be cordial. Sorry, y'all. Let me get some water. She told the co-workers, like, I thought she would be over it by now. She can't even be cordial. I don't think she know how black, I mean, not just black people, any person is. Like, you think you can do that? You know what I mean? Play in my face like that, and I'm about to be all skinning and grinning with you. I don't know where you come from, but where I come from, we don't play that. I don't play that. I wasn't raised like that. Nah, you played me, so you know what I mean? I'll speak. I don't have to talk to you. I speak to everybody, but as far as all them long conversations and stuff, that's dead, honey. So that's 6, 10, 16. Yeah, that's dead, girl, gone. Like, I ain't got time for you. I'm trying to be in the positive mind frame, honey. And your presence I gotta deal with. But I ain't gotta talk to you. 10, 16, 20. Yeah, y'all. But then she wanna say I can't even be cordial. It is. Hello, it's cordial. Girl, I'll be looking at her. She asks me something. I'll be like, yeah. And that's it. I respect you. You know, you the team lead. I respect you. I answer your question and do my job. That's all you gonna get. Ain't no small talk. Ain't no small talk. Because I don't trust you no more. Stay away from me, please, as much as possible. We got to work together. Let's just do that and keep it to moving. Y'all feel me? Okay, so we going to cash stuff $24. That's what I had budgeted for this. 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. Did I put $1? Yeah, I did put $1 in there. Okay, y'all. It might be right. I put $1 in the insurance, right? Yep. Oh, okay. So it might be right. Yeah. It's going to be a great day today. All right, y'all. So I don't think we're going to be doing anything else in this binder, but we do have to pay KE loans, put some money in there, and that is, that is $50. I must didn't budget it right, you guys. I was gonna do put some in my December challenge, and we still gonna make that happen. Let me see, we still gonna make that happen. So we're gonna make that happen. I owe myself $10. We're gonna have to make that happen because we gotta make that happen. Because I had took out $40 for gas, but I'll make that back with Uber because I need to put money in my December challenge. I can work it out. I can stretch that $30 in gas for a minute. I can't wait to start in my my Detroit binder. One day. But yeah, we're going to make that work. I don't know if I'm going to be finishing this. I just don't know. But we ain't going to put no stress on it. You know? So we're going to take 10, 5, 6. You know what, y'all? We're going to put the whole 20. Because we just are. And I just make that money when I DoorDash. We're going to have to make that 20. I think I got, let me see. This was for my detergent. Let's see, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36. Yeah, we're going to make that work, y'all. So now we having our December challenge. We have, let me make that a little darker. Okay, so we have 20, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40. Y'all know what? I am going to finish this challenge before January. I'm speaking it. We only owe $60. Y'all, I'm speaking it into existence. We will be completing this. We will not be going into December with these. We're going to be able to go in December and start our December challenge. I'm just going to put that. I got the money now, but, you know, I'm definitely going to finish that. So we ain't going to even worry about that. All right, y'all. So you guys, thank you for spending a little time with me. I appreciate y'all so much. Sorry, I'm not going to carry on. I'm going to pray for me. Pray I let it go. Even though I'm not holding a grudge about the job, it's just that, you know how people done you wrong in life, and you know these type of people, you know them slick, them people who like to be slick and like to, you know what I mean, play in your face, talk about you behind your back, but then, they expect the game to be played like I talk about you, you talk about me, but we still laugh together. I was not raised like that. I can't do that fake stuff. You know what I mean? I just cannot. I cannot. And obviously, some people don't have a problem with being fake. You know what I mean? But I can't. So if you fake, if you a fake person, and I know it's somebody fake watching my video, because it's a lot of them out here, okay? And I got 4,000, almost 4,000 subscribers. I think over 4,000 subscribers. I know it's a fakey watching. And let me just send a message to you. It's not cool. In 2025, please try to change that if possible. Some people it's just too late for, okay? They stuck in their ways. That's part of their character, the fabric of their character. But it's very offensive and it's very hurtful to those unexpected victims that people like that create. Okay, you guys? All right, y'all. So enough of that. Pray for you, girl. See you guys later on the next video. Bye.